In this video, we are going to see a complete POS system, including receipt printing, barcode printing and much more. So keep watching. Hi friends. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm excited to share a project I've been working on, a point of sale, that is, POS system application built using Java Swing for the GUI and MySQL for the database. Before we dive into the demo, let me give you a quick overview of what a POS system is. A POS system is used in retail and hospitality settings to process sales transactions. It typically includes features like product management, sales processing, inventory tracking, and reporting. So, let's launch the application. When you launch the application, you are greeted with this login screen. I'll go ahead and log in with my credentials. This is the main dashboard of the application. The main screen provides easy access to different modules like customer management, product management, sales, reports and many more. You can also see the sales insight at the bottom. Let's take a look at the customer management tab. On the right side, you can see a table displaying all the customers saved in the system. We can add new customers, update existing customer details, or delete customers from the list. For example, I'll go ahead and add a new customer to our database. Once all the details are filled, you can click Save. As you can see, the new customer has been successfully added to the table. We can also select a customer from the list to update their details or remove them if needed. Now, when you click a row in the table, the customer's details are filled in the area at left where you can make any changes in the data and click Update or even delete the customer. Let us try updating recently added customer's surname. After asking for confirmation, the details are updated in the table and database. You can use the search mechanism provided above to search customers based on their ID, name and contact. Let's search a customer name including JAY, as you can see the relevant customers are showed. You can also search a customer by entering its ID and clicking Search. To delete a customer, you can search or select the customer from the table and click Delete. Moving forward, let's take a look at the Suppliers tab. This tab allows us to manage all our supplier information effectively. It has all the mechanisms similar to the previous tab where you can view, insert, update and delete suppliers. The next tab that we will be seeing is the Product tab. In this tab, you will get a form to add new products. You need to fill in all the details, such as the name of the product, category. You can even create new categories by clicking the plus beside. Then you need to scan the barcode if the product has one. Additionally, you need to enter other details like the selling price and the MRP and then click Save. You can even update and delete product, but that I will be showing you in a while. Next, let's take a look at the Product List tab. In this tab, you can see a table displaying all the products in our inventory, including details like the product name, barcode, selling price, and MRP. One thing you can notice is that you can search for a product based on various search fields. This makes it easy to find specific products quickly. Once you find the product you are looking for, you can click on the row, and it will open the product management page with the prefilled details of the selected product. Now you can update the product details or even delete a product. One important thing to notice is that some products may not have a barcode. For such cases, we have a dedicated tab to print barcodes. In this tab, you need to enter the product ID or find the product through the search functionality. Once you have found the product, you can click on the Preview button. Let us try to print a barcode for rice 1 kg as we saw before. After clicking Preview, the system will generate a barcode for the selected product, which you can then print and attach to the product. This feature ensures that all products, even those without an existing barcode, can be easily scanned and managed within the system. We will now print the barcode using a label printer. As you can see, we have successfully printed the barcode. Now, let us print another barcode for rice 5 kilograms. Now, the next step after successfully adding products and creating barcodes is the Sales tab. This is where we process all sales transactions. In the Sales tab, you can scan or select products from the catalog. The system will automatically calculate the total price based on the quantity and the selling price of the products. At the top you will be able to see the invoice number. First of all, you can enter customer ID or mobile number and click Find Customer to fetch customer details. Or you can even add a new customer. But this thing is not compulsory and you can proceed without this. Clicking Add New Customer will open a window where you can fill necessary details and add customer. The next step is to add products. You can do this by scanning the barcode using a barcode scanner. Let's try to scan a product that has a barcode. As you can see, the product is automatically added to the sales list. You can continuously scan barcodes with just the scanner, and the products will keep on adding. Let us try to scan the barcode that we recently printed. You can even scan a barcode multiple times so that only the quantity is increased. As you can see, we scanned rice 1 kg one time and rice 5 kg 2 times, so are the quantities. You can update any product's quantities as well by clicking update and then entering proper quantity. Now, we have made the quantity for rice 5 kg as 1. You can select a product and click remove to remove a product. The remove all option will remove all the products. You can even add a product based on its name by entering its initials. Now you can press enter multiple times to increase its quantity. We pressed enter 3 times, so is the quantity. Let us add one more product. Now that we have added all the product, we can see at right the total amount and quantities. Next, you can select the payment type and enter the amount that the customer paid. Let us consider that the customer paid us 500 rupees note. Next up is saving the sales. You can either save and print the bill by clicking pay and print, or just save without printing bill by clicking pay and save. This is useful to save paper in case of smaller orders. Let us save and print the bill as well. As you can see, we have successfully saved the order. You can also notice that as the customer paid us 500 rupees, we have to return him 130 rupees, which is shown in return amount. At the same time, the bill receipt will be printed by the thermal printer. Next, you can click New to proceed with next sales order. As you can see, the invoice number has also been changed. Clicking New does not change the invoice number. It only changes when an sales order is saved. You can see that today's sales amount is updated on home screen. After sales, let us take a look at Sales History tab. This tab shows all the sales order history. You can even search a specific order by giving necessary details like order ID, customer ID and date. Clicking an order will open its receipt with all the details like date, time, all the items, and total amount, along with the discount and payment method. Next up is the Reports tab. In this tab you are able to see bar graphs of daily, weekly and monthly sales amount. Next we will be seeing about the Purchase tab. This tab is similar to Sales tab. Here instead of customer details you have to fill supplier's details and add products the same way as in Sales tab. The total amount will be shown here. You can edit the total amount by entering the amount in space below. This is useful where the total amount may vary due to adding of some other charges and taxes. Next you have to provide the payment method. In case of check payment you also need to fill the check number and check date. Next step is to click Save. Now, in case a customer wants to return certain product that he purchased due to any reason, you have to use the Return Product tab. In this tab, firstly you need to enter order ID and date at the right side and click Find. You will be able to see the order details at left top. Next, you have to add the products that the customer needs to return and then click Return. As you can see, we have successfully returned the product. When you check the order history, the order details will also be changed respectively. As you can see, the product that we returned is removed, also the total amount is also updated. The today's sales amount is also updated from 370 to 360 rupees. Now, let us look at one important feature in this application. You may have noticed in the Product Manager form that there are two fields, quantity and minimum quantity. These fields are used for the Restock Status tab. The Restock Status tab helps us manage our inventory efficiently by alerting us when any product's quantity reaches below the minimum quantity. When this happens, the products are shown in the Restock Status tab, indicating that we need to order more of these items. Let's move on with another feature. As you know, while saving a purchase order, you can provide a check number and date. These details are used in the Pending Checks tab. In this tab, you are able to see all the checks whose dates are today or later. This helps in maintaining the bank account balance and organizing checks to avoid check bounces due to insufficient funds. Once a check is paid, you can mark it as paid by selecting it and pressing Mark as paid. There's a checkbox to view only unpaid checks. This helps keep track of uncleared payments. You can also view previous checks by clicking View All, which shows all checks irrespective of its date. The next tab we'll explore is the Customer Analysis tab. This tab provides valuable insights into your customer base. In this tab, you can see a list of top customers based on their purchase history. This helps identify your most valuable customers who contribute the most to your sales. Additionally, the tab shows the most frequent customers. These are the customers who visit and make purchases most often, providing consistent business. The next tab is for Printing Reports. This tab is crucial for understanding the business's performance and includes various types of reports. In the Reports tab, you can generate daily and monthly sales reports. These reports provide detailed insights into the sales activities over different time periods. Additionally, there is an Approximate Profit report. This report helps in estimating the profit made during a month by considering the sales revenue and the cost of goods sold. You will also get the profit percentage here. Now we are here for the last tab in our application, the Backup tab. Imagine your system has a storage disk failure. You would risk losing all your data. This tab helps you create a backup of the entire database. In this tab, you need to select a path to create a backup. It is recommended to use a secondary storage device, like a pen drive, to store backups to ensure safety and accessibility. Once the path is selected, you can click Backup to create a backup of your database. This process ensures that all your important data is safely stored and can be restored if needed. As you can see, a backup file is created which can be used to restore the database to the current level of backup. With that said, we are here at the end of our demo. I hope you found this walkthrough of the POS system application helpful and informative. Thank you.